Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Spectrum Wi-Fi router blinking solid red light, meaning and full troubleshooting guide. What the red light mean? Blinking red light. The router is trying to connect to the internet. There may be a temporary network issue. The modem and router may not be communicating properly. Solid red light. The router cannot connect to the internet. There may be a service outage in your area. The router may need a restart or reset. Fix 1. Restart the router. Unplug the router power cable, then wait to 30 seconds. Plug the router back in, wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to reconnect. Second fix, check cable connection. Make sure all cables are firmly connected. Check the Ethernet cable between the modem and router. Replace any damaged or loose cable. Third fix is check for a Spectrum outage. Open the Spectrum app or website. Check if there is an outage in your area. Wait until Spectrum restores service if an outage is reported. Fourth one is reset the router. Find the small reset button on the router, then press and hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. Release the button and wait for the router to restart. Set up the router again if required. Thanks for watching.